Hi Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi 100% accurate para sa'yo. This is a timeless reading. Ang energy ay pwedeng nangyari na, nangyayari ngayon or mangyayari pa lang. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Cancer. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you from the universe. Ano yung mga gabay, mga mensahe, mga blessings na paparating for Cancer. Energies and messages for Cancer, please. Cancer energies and messages for Cancer. Okay. Okay. Merong hindi magandang behavior. Maybe this is unhealthy relationship. Okay, merong toxicity in the situation for some of you. Okay, merong lust or obsession with an ex or with a person na hindi maganda para sa'yo. Okay, okay, yeah, you're looking for justice for some of you na mabigyan ka ng oras and time. Or mabigyan ka ng attention. Okay? Merong communication kang matatanggap about strategic planning, but this is something deceitful or lies. Okay? Merong dishonesty na nangyayari. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you need to do the right thing, Cancer. There is toxic relationship in the situation. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are overly focused on material things. Yeah. You are hoping to receive favor from a certain person for some of you. You are giving gifts, time and attention, splurging for some of you. Okay. Hoping to get a good result or a better result to benefit you or that you can benefit from. Something like that. Yun yung energy. Okay. Okay. For some of you, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Ang inyong hard work ay mabibigyan ng masusuklian ng magandang balita. Okay? This is a well-deserved or well-earned happiness and joy, abundance and prosperity for some of you. Merong bagong contract, business deals. Okay? You will be closing a deal for some of you. Okay? Yeah. This is big money. You are gaining strength and confidence in your situation, Cancer. Okay. For some of you, you will be entering a new chapter of your life. Magkakaroon ka ng vitality at sigla, no? Or sigla sa inyong sarili at pag-asa. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin. Maybe you are dealing with two people or two situations and yet you don't know what to do about them. Okay? Yeah, merong someone na kailangan ng inyong atensyon or maybe an opportunity, merong offer. Okay? Pero hindi mo binibigyan ng pansin because you are too parang yung attention mo tuon sa ibang bagay, okay? sa isang sitwasyon na hindi naman makakatulong sa inyo. Okay? Whereas merong merong opportunity for you na mas maganda pero hindi mo lang pinapansin. So, baka pwede mo bigyan ng attention yan. Okay? That is for some of you. Abundance, happiness. Okay? Yeah. Now, for some of you, merong travel na mangyayari. Okay? Parang new beginning for you. You are taking a chance. Okay? You are taking a risk. Yeah, for some of you, you have to pay attention also to some red flags, most especially if you are dealing with a toxic person or unhealthy relationship, no? Kung involved ka sa hindi magandang relasyon for some of you, or sa hindi tamang tao para sa inyo. Okay? So, pay attention to warnings, mga posible, no? Na mga red flags. Okay? Merong adventures, yeah, most especially to intimate relationship for some of you. You are taking a chance, no? You are ignoring the red flags for some of you, okay? So just pay attention. Okay. Yeah, merong planning na mangyayari. You are looking forward to it. You are excited about this situation, Cancer. Okay. But right now, parang wala pang action. You are just nasa planning stage pa lang, no? Naglo-look forward ka pa lang in this situation. Okay. Page of Swords. For some of you, you are waiting for a communication or meron kayong tinitingnan na mga mensahe or yeah, maybe stalking. Waiting for a communication from someone. Merong mga delays for some of you. Okay? At kailangan i-revise yung mga plans. Yeah. When it comes to work, yes, you are looking forward for a career opportunity, an opportunity to earn, something like that, a new project for some of you. Yeah. Pero may mga delays pa, no? So you get to do parang kailangan mo mag-research or kumuha pa ng mga information to validate, okay? To confirm something. Things will be very busy sa mga susunod na araw para sa inyo. Cancer, okay? Parang a new beginning for you. Parang mga next steps na mga gagawin, okay? For some of you, yes, parang kailangan mo ng pahinga, no? Mental and physical rest, okay? Or bakasyon for some of you. Okay? For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, this is overindulgence, no? Material things or overly focus ka sa pwedeng pag-iinom or splurging, okay? Getting away with someone. Yeah. Okay. So, parang your hard work will be paid off for some of you. Parang ma-recognize kung ano man yung mga Yung mare-recognize ang inyong performance, ang inyong sakripisyo, merong breakthrough na mangyayari and clarity of the situation, okay? Yeah. Yung efforts ninyo will be recognized, okay? Merong offer or proposal for some of you. You are protecting what you have created. You are protecting your stability. Yeah. Merong success in the situation, Cancer. You just need to be patient, okay? For some of you, you are setting boundaries, okay? Yeah. Breakthrough, success. Okay. Things are looking good for you, Cancer. Merong financial security, okay? You are self-made for some of you. Merong problema, no? When it comes to the relationship, maybe intimate relationship, pero may wake-up call na mangyayari sa inyo. Parang you will be assessing kung ano nangyayari sa inyo, ang inyong mga actions and all that. Okay? Because may kailangang change na mangyari. May kailangang pagbabago na mangyayari, most especially sa inyong intimate or love relationship. Okay? Yeah. You need to make a smart or wise decision for yourself, most especially pagdating sa inyong buhay pag-ibig, no? Or when it comes to partnership. Think about the future. Okay? For some of you, well, you are looking forward for a vacation, for independence. You may be also receiving good news about work, okay, na magbibigay sa inyo ng financial security. Okay? Yeah. Partnership. Okay? May kailangang baguhin sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Pagsisiyasat sa sarili. Okay? Titingnan mo kung ano yung tama at mali sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong ginagawa for some of you. Okay? Yeah. You need to balance your emotional and logical consideration in making a decision. Yeah. Meron kang matatanggap na communication from someone. Okay? Yeah. It will break a silence, no, in your situation. Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga old beliefs ninyo, okay, may kailangang basagin doon so that bibigyan ka ng opportunity to create something stable, no? Magkakaroon ng stability ang inyong sitwasyon, magkakaroon ng kaayusan ang inyong pamumuhay. Okay? It may be sa work to, or sa inyong personal life, or sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Yeah. You are hoping for the best, Cancer. You are hoping to receive favor, no, from this person. Yeah. But a decision will be made, no? At the end. Okay? Yeah. Coming from a person na parang hindi siya nagpapakita ng emosyon, okay? Pero nagsasabi ng katotohanan. Something like that. Okay? It may be harsh for some of you. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. But these are the energy. Okay? You are hoping for a change. You are hoping for a positive change. Okay? May mga kailangan kang pag-isipan about sa sitwasyon. Okay? Tingnan mo kung ano yung mali at tama. Okay? Mayroong wake-up call na mangyayari sa inyo. Cancer. Okay? A decision will be made para sa inyong kabutihan. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Additional messages for Cancer. Meaning, sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Don't spend everything at once. Okay? Yeah. Don't spend everything at once. Magtira. May paparating na swerte para sa inyo. Cancer, it may be sa work. Okay? Ito yung matagal nyo nang inaantay. New contract, new career, new job. Direction, do not deviate from your path. Attract a mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. Kailan mo ng direksyon, no? And alignment sa inyong sitwasyon. Sistema. Okay? Foresight, pay attention to things that are important to ensure wealth. Be farsighted and alert, no? Yeah. Merong surprise. An unexpected turn can bring positive change. Be ready for change. Yes. May significant na pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo. Cancer, para sa inyong kabutihan, para sa inyong kaayusan. Okay. Yan natin. Oh. 33. If you keep seeing the number 33, this is the message for you. Any positive changes or projects you are considering right now will be worth your while. Expect that your power to manifest and create will be heightened. I am expanding. So you are entering expansion and growth, Cancer. So just be patient. Okay. Use your intuition. Be creative. Okay. One more spirit message, oracle cards for Cancer, please. Don't allow anyone to abuse your power or take it away from you. Remember, you will be treated how you allow others to treat you. Show them that you value yourself far too much to settle for anything less than you deserve. Okay, so you deserve better, Cancer. Pay attention to people na pwedeng mag-abuso sa inyo. Okay? Save something for yourself. Value yourself. Okay? Yeah. Do not allow anyone to abuse your power or take it away from you. Alright? So, these are the messages for you. All the best. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!